then it is impossible really to redeem and to rehabilitate a person who is drug dependent, Mr. President. So I just wanted to ask our dear Senate President about this and how we can really mas mapaigting pa, mas mapalalim pa yung pagkakaroon o pag-i-involve ng tinatawag na moral recovery program, Mr. President.
Yes, Mr. President. Tama po yun. Iyan po isa sa mga pinakamahalaga na parte sa atin sa buong buhay, hindi lang tungkol sa droga, kundi sa kabuuan natin. Yung moral recovery ng ating bansa, we will have to focus on faith. Whatever religion we believe in, we must focus on faith. As a matter of fact, yun po sa sinasabi ko sa rehabilitation program, ang isa ho sa pinakamatala, aside from therapeutic community, yung pong faith-based. Yung faith-based rehabilitation program, ang isa sa pinaka-effective na programa, Mr. President. And the moral recovery is immediate. Iba talaga kapag ang kausap mo ay ang Panginoon Diyos at talagang ibinubukas mo ang sarili mo at sinusuko mo sa Kanya. Malaking bagay po ang nangyayari at marahil we can think of a way of how we can incorporate it in the authority that I am proposing, the Presidential Drug Enforcement Authority. Because aside from the four major concerns that I mentioned, there is this new technique of alternative development. And perhaps after alternative development that we can use, we can also infuse moral recovery. Mas madali hong mako-convert yung mga drug dependent kung magkakaroon ng moral recovery program and faith-based as much as possible. Yes, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, Mr. President. I will fully support that and thank you, Mr. President, for that very clear answer, Mr. President, especially based on experience by our Senate President. Importante ho na talagang isa-puso, masaisip at talagang maintindihan mabuti ng isang mamamayan na ang kanyang buhay ay mahalaga at merong patutunguhan ang kanyang buhay kung meron siyang pagkilala at pananampalataya sa pinananaligan niya na Diyos. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo. Thank you, Mr. President.
Salamat din po. Salamat po, Mr. President. Thank you.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, dear Senate President, for his privileged speech. Mr. President, I move that we refer to the Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs the privileged speech of the distinguished Senate President together with all the manifestations and interpellations done after.
Mr. President,
Senate President,
may we
yes.
please ask the Majority Leader to include also the Committee on Justice?
Oh, yes, Mr. President, the secondary committee, Committee on Justice.
So referred. Is there an objection? Hearing none, so referred.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move that we take up proposed Senate Resolution number 297. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there an objection? Hearing none. Asan na yun?
297, Mr. President. 297.
Senate Resolution 1794.
Or maybe before that, Mr. President, I move to withdraw that motion and proceed with the reference of business, Mr. President, so that we can put that clearly on the record. Mr. President, I move for the reference of business and withdraw the previous motion.